All right. Can you guys hear me properly now? Is it live? Is the lag over? Lag test. How's the lag? Cool. All right. So, Q&A. Someone says thoughts on AMP. I don't know, mate. Okay. 30 seconds isn't bad. We can do the Q&A before the AMP runs out. Thoughts on AMP. Let's see. Once again, you can see the pump volume at the top of that move. Classic and territory. Classic end signal. Support. Previous resistance. Finding support there. So this is what I think of AMP. This is the range. If this holds, you should probably buy it. If it doesn't, then it'll come down here, and you should sell the breakdown and rebuy the support, or you could just use my strategy and sort of double down on your trade right around there. Obviously, this is sort of a short-term bear move going downwards, but short-term doesn't mean long-term, right? Elf is a good coin fundamentally. Isn't that the one with the technobabble, buzzword soup, cloud mining, artificial intelligence, blockchain on the cloud or whatever? ZEC, let's look at ZEC. Scroll all the way down. Yeah, I mean, obviously Zcash. I've been talking about Zcash and for a while. The biggest problem is how the moving average here seems to be resisting every single time it tries to sort of break up. But this is the previous support zone that became resistance, but it's trying to break up above that. I think if it breaks up above this, target is somewhere around there, right? Which is what is it? 2.5x, I think, around there. And then if it breaks up above that, target is wherever this line is. So another 2.5x to this point. That's what I think of Zcash. Someone asked, what is the state of BTC? BTC is in a short-term downtrend. If that downtrend will become long-term, I'm not totally sure. Like I said, I'm kind of mixed on the idea of it. Obviously, that volume reversal candle is interesting, but downtrend is downtrend. You know what I mean? Any other questions? Let's look at ILF. Again, ILF is I actually have a bag of ILF or whatever it's called. I just hate the sort of the stupidity of the marketing. A blockchain project about artificial intelligence on the cloud. I mean, it's like buzzword, just technobabble, a bunch of things that don't have any reasonable meaning. So this is what I drew this chart a while ago. Obviously, everything on Binance doesn't have enough history to make proper charts with, but I drew this a while ago, and I'm like, yeah, that'll do. You can try to make a channel out of this, right? And say, well, target is somewhere up there, right? But again, there isn't enough information to decide that. Does McPhee have to eat his own dick on TV? Probably. Yes, probably he has to. He has to do it. Yep. Anyways, I think that's it. Just, if you guys have any more questions, you have a few minutes to ask before I bounce. What advice do I have for noobs making his first trade? Start very little. Put in as little money as you can possibly put in, so you can trade without emotional stakes. It's kind of like paper trading, you know. It's kind of like trading without real money. Just put as little as possible so that you can learn before you lose money. What's your intake on general state of altcoins? I said this on Shitcoin Talk. Obviously, crypto has this pattern where, December, January, you see a bottom. February, March, you see a kind of downtrend. Sometime into the summer, it's never really sure which time, but sometime into the summer, between April and June, you start seeing a pump. And then the top of the pump is sometime at towards the end, towards July, August ish. You see a top of a pump, and that's it. Everything dies till December. So that's what I think will happen again, but I'm not sure. Where am I from? I'm not telling you that, mate. No, why would I? Sorry, I joined the stream kind of late. Do you have any thoughts on the price direction of it's going for? I just explained that. Anyways, that's it. If you guys like, you could donate some money, donate some time to me on Patreon. I have a Patreon link. Donate, check it out. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for hanging out and talking to me, Mr. Hanker. I'm not telling you anything about me. This is crypto. Everyone's anonymous for some reason. What are you, the FBI? Why are you grilling me about my stuff? Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Check out the links in the description, and goodbye.